If you're not sure whether to use will or going to, just do this. Ask yourself, did I plan the action at the time of speaking, or did I plan the action before I spoke? If you planned the action before you spoke, use going to. If you planned the action at the time that you spoke, use will. For example, I'm going to Japan next year. I used going to here because I made that plan before I said it. I've already bought plane tickets. I've already booked a hotel. Oh, my phone's ringing. I'll pick it up. Hello? Yeah, sorry, I can't talk now. I'm filming this video. I'll call you later. Okay, bye. I said, I'll pick it up, and I said, I'll call you later. I said this because I made those decisions when I spoke. I didn't plan to do them before I spoke. I made the plan when I was speaking. So if you're not sure whether to use will or going to, use this rule. Normally, you will be right.